My wife was a really good dancer. She's danced for the Utah Jazz, the Dallas Cowboys. She's done a lot of high-level dance, and she's always had back pain. And I was in school studying science and pre-dental actually, and just seeing her journey with back pain and not being able to get help and not being able to get answers. She finally found a really good chiropractor that was able to help her a lot, and I decided to shadow him. And I just liked the hands-on, I liked the type of patients you get to work with, and I like how much you can help people, so I just decided to go for it. Definitely just seeing people come in and walk out feeling a lot better most of the time. I love being able to help people be able to do the things that they love to do rather than just not do them because they're in pain. This is actually my first job out of chiropractic school, and the thing that I love about this office is the wide variety of patients we get to treat. We see anybody from kids all the way to people in their 80s and 90s. So I feel like it was going to be a really good experience for me coming out of school, and I also like Dr. Canada's approach. She's evidence-based, and she allows me to treat to the way that I want to treat.